Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is your girl Sin and this is Beauty with Sin, and in today's video we have a wig from the beauty supply store. I ran and I got a wig. I had just washed my hair, braided it down with these big cornrows. So I got some stocking caps because I needed some stocking caps, and I picked these up from the beauty supply and I picked them up in a darker color. I'm finding that if I get a darker wig cap, I don't have to do too much blending with the lace on some of the wigs because it kind of blends in a little bit more. And since I don't bleach because these are synthetic wigs, I think the brown stocking cap actually works so much better. So the wig that I'm about to let y'all watch me put on is one, like I said, from the beauty supply store. It was like under $20. It was called like magic lace, which is kind of like the fake scalp. So I didn't have to do too much with this wig. The color on the box is what I wanted, but they didn't really have a big selection of these wigs. Let me sip some of my water. I've been doing good on the water, so let me sip some water. I'm just checking out the lace, making sure. But here's the wig. It's called magic lace and it's a fake scalp wig, and I got the color, I think it's called J99, the red color. That's the color that I picked up from the beauty supply because it was like not a whole lot. I tried to find this wig on Amazon, but I couldn't find this brand on Amazon. So I found something kind of similar but curly, and so I'll put it in the description box if you guys are interested in picking up a wig for like 20 bucks. Just click that link below and you get it from Amazon. If I could still find this wig online, I'm actually going to find it. Oh, it's called Redwine, but it's that 99J color. I don't really like red hair. I don't know why. It looks good on me, but I don't know. I don't know. It is what it is. But I liked it for the moment. I haven't worn it out yet. But for the purpose of this video, she turned out better than I expected because, like I said, I'm not a big red hair fan. She had some baby hairs, didn't really use the baby hairs as usual. But yeah, so keep on watching and I'll come back and tell you what I think about the wig. So right here, when I started putting her on as I'm editing, I was like, ooh, she was really rich in the back. The color was really rich. But I think I like the way the hair was blended from the top. So the darkness of the roots into the red. I took my paddle brush and I started combing her out. She's really great. Now, I think with this wig, I had to... What I'm going to do is in the back there where it has like a hump, I'm going to have to pull the hair backwards so that it could mask that hump. I don't know why that it was looking like that, like if it was just like humpy in the back. But I like the wig. Overall, it is a nice little quick wig to wear. If you had a date night or you were going to like an event, you can wear it for like that 1 day, 2 days, whatever. I needed to make sure the part was secured properly because like when you guys saw me originally put it on, it was not parted. I did a center part. I think I'm gonna actually try and do a side part next time. But I like the wig, and so yeah, if you want something similar to this, check the description box below, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys. I'll insert some pictures here in a minute so you guys get to see. Bye, guys. you.